guys, this is Jamie with OSU Extension. Today we're going to go over some knife safety skills. How to chop an onion. So keep your fingers curled and back. We want to cut up the top of the onion, not the front. We want to leave the bottom end on because that holds it together. Then we want to lay it down on the top end where it's flat. And we want to use that top chop motion. Chop it in half. Take one out of the way. Then, once you have it in half, it's much easier to peel that first layer off. So we're going to peel that first layer. Now we have a nice flat surface. The skin is off. We're just going to curl our fingers on top, hold it, and slice it in half. Then we're going to make slices going the other direction. Not clear to the blossom end though. Then we want to turn it, curl our fingers on top, and do our rocking motion. Have fun cooking, and thanks for watching.